What we learned today from a biotech company in Massachusetts is that a vaccine that it has been testing with the federal government showed some promising antibody responses. That is, it generated the kind of immune responses that should be protective, but we can't really say that for sure. It's only been tried so far on 8 people. We only have this information on 8 people. About 45 people have received the vaccine so far, and there's some reassurance that at least in those people, it seems safe. This vaccine is made by a company called Moderna. It's a biotech in Massachusetts. It was developed with the National Institutes of Health, and it's still in very, very early stage testing. The government has announced an initiative called Operation Warp Speed to try to get a vaccine up and running, at least for many people, by January. That's a really tall order. It's when you make a vaccine from scratch for a novel germ like this coronavirus, it's never before been seen. So through this Operation Warp Speed that the government is trying to ramp up, several different candidate vaccines are being looked at. The government is planning to perhaps even start manufacturing some of these even before we know if they fully work, because they need to get a head start so that if once one does prove effective, they can move ahead. And today's news was just a very first step, but it's a very encouraging one because to get 8 out of 8 people showing the kind of responses that you hope to see is a really good sign.